I got my tight pants on. I got my tight pants. I got my tight pants on. What's up, Jeremy? We know you like this. I got my tight pants. I got my tight pants on.
Day 45, don't you know that the time has arrived?
I'm just drawing on the inside of the wall here to try to map out what's going to happen. So water coming in, where it needs to branch off to go into the on-demand water heater, where the gas line needs to go, faucet, vessel for the water, etc., etc. Robert is just measuring some paneling, and that's gonna go on that wall in there.
You look concerned. Oh, well, there'll be trim.
I've got the plumbing for the bathroom and shower figured out. The pump pushes the water in here, through here, and this is where it will attach and go on the in of the hot water heater, which is gonna go right there. And then the out goes to the hot water, but I needed it to branch off to either the shower head, which will go up and we can just hang, or it's gonna feed through there and go down there and around and into the kitchen and out over there. This also tees off and branches to the faucet, which is just a cute little faucet for our sink with the shutoff valve right here. And then the sink is gonna be this little copper pot basin that we've got. So really cute little setup. And then there will just be like a little cabinet here with the plumbing for the drainage to go down through this hole, and it'll tie into that drain. We decided it was important to actually have a drain valve. So now you can just dump, and this will drain out the tank and just go right onto the ground. So if you have to clean it or whatever, do a quick drain, it's a lot easier than cycling the pump to run all the water out of it. It's almost 8, but we're still working. The wine helps. End of day 45. We're just chilling on the couch in the little sitting nook here, which is not complete, obviously. But we got a lot done today. Started closing up walls, ceilings, and electrical, finished the plumbing in the bathroom, and most of the plumbing overall. So things are moving along suddenly. It's feeling really good. So here's a quick tour of...
Flip the camera.
Yeah. So we're definitely stoked about how this is looking. It's gonna be like a coppered seating style. So all of the seams will be covered with pieces of trim. Those will be puck lights in there. But yeah, stuff's starting to take shape. It looks great.
Until tomorrow. Aloha.
Aloha, until tomorrow.